pick up your pen and your book. I want to lecture you about yourself. I want to tell you about yourself. I know a lot of people will be saying, "Come on, what are you going to tell me about myself?" Yes, if I want to teach you how to respect yourself. A lot of people they don't know this. That is just a fact. They don't know this. Do you know why I said they don't know this? There are a lot of people that will be expecting respect from others, whereby they have never respected themselves. You understand? But this video is not about violence, it's about not by any other thing, but it is about knowing yourself so that you will know what you expect from others. You understand? It's like what you do to yourself is what you expect others to do to you. So that is what I call it what respect. First of all, I'm going to give you some elements or some characteristics on what to do on how to respect yourself. First of all, stop looking for who is not looking for you. Number one. Secondly, stop begging. Thirdly, stop saying more unnecessarily. There are a lot of people they love talking and talking. The talking can lead to something else. You understand? So stop all those characters. Another one again, once people disrespect you, confront them. It is important when some people just disrespect you when you know that you are right. Confront them. Ask them, how dare you how dare you? Why did you do this to me? What happened? What did I do? You confront them immediately. Don't keep it like tomorrow or next year or next month. No. As a woman of substance or as a man, as integrity man or woman, when somebody disrespects you, when somebody do some kind of things that is not good, confront the person immediately. Don't keep it for tomorrow. When you keep it to tomorrow, it's like you're a coward. Confront the person. That is a woman that is bold or that is a man that is bold. It is good to be bold. So know yourself. So when somebody do some things you don't really like, disrespect, you confront the person immediately. Don't keep it till tomorrow or next time. No, it's not done. So another one again, I'm going to quickly teach you guys is words. Don't eat other people food more than they eat yours. Yes, you love eating other people's food. You love eating their food. So in essence that they don't want to even voice it out with their mouths. You understand? It is really wrong. So these are your things about yourself. So if you know you are eating people food and the way they eat your own, just let you limit it. It's bad. Another one again, reduce how you visit some people, especially if they did not visit you as well. Like I said before. You are visiting somebody every time, and the person is have never one day left his house to come and visit you. Can't you use your just a sense? Okay, so that is what part of it. Another one again, invest in yourself. Make yourself happy. Yes, invest in yourself. What are your talents? Make use of your time. Invest in yourself. It is really, really what important. Okay, because by the time you invest in yourself, by the time you are busy, you don't even know if other people are existing. And secondly, you will have respect for yourself. Because you will not become that kind of woman that kind of great woman, that kind of woman that is busy, that kind of woman that is not idle, is respect. This is how you're going to respect yourself. If you're that kind of woman, even though you don't have anything to do, but there must be something, either you are schooling or you are doing handwork or you are working. Keep yourself busy. Okay, invest in yourself because time does not wait for anyone. That one is aside. Let me teach you another one again. Stop entertaining gossip about other people. Let me tell you about this. When other people are gossiping some other people, like your friends or other people issues to you, they bring it to the table. They are discussing it, and you add your own to it. Don't forget that what goes around will also what comes around. Okay, so if they talk about somebody like Jennifer, Jennifer do this, Jennifer do that, and you are there talking about it, you include yourself into it. Don't forget that your own topic is going to be the next. So respect yourself. When other people are trying to bring their other like gossip, talk about something beautiful. Time is so special for somebody to be wasting it for gossip. That is just the fact. A lot of things are there you can use to get money. Instead of you to be gossiping, why can't you just ask beautiful good questions, relevant questions about life? How did you do this? How did they come up, with this kind of idea? How are they going? What is going on? What is going on in the world? Do you know what is going on in America? Why is this like this? You find, discover things, not gossip. That time is just wasted. Time of gossip is just a time, you waste. So that is aside. Another one again, we're quickly going to check is worth. Think before you talk. Think before you communicate. Think before you say anything out from your mouth. Because whatever you say out from your mouth will never will return back. You may say, "Oh, I'm sorry, it's out of what? Mistake." Come on, a lot of people may forgive you, while there are some people they will never forgive you. They'll put it in the back of their mind. So before you voice out anything, my dear, you need to be really what? Careful. That is just the fact, okay? Another one again, always look good and dress the way you want them to address you. Yes, you understand? So anytime you are going outside, always look good, look decent, look the way you want them to dress you. You understand? There are some people that will look like a prostitute. You know, our black people they can easily what assume. It is really common among them. If you're a married woman and maybe the way you dress is just totally different, so they can assume very well, especially our black people. It's not like Americans or all those white people. No, our black people like Africa, they have that mentality in them. You understand? So always dress the way you want them to what address you. You understand? The way you want them to call you, the way you want them to respect you. So dress like that, okay? So another one again is what? Be a achiever. Keep yourself busy, like I said before. Have a goal. Keep yourself busy with your career, with your goals, with your plans, with all those characters. It is good. Another one again, don't stay in relationship where you are not valued, where there's no respect. If you're in a relationship, there's no respect, there's no value. Don't stay in that kind of relationship. Walk away. That is how to respect yourself. Another one again, learn to spend money on yourself. A lot of people don't love spending money on themselves. Oh. Let me tell you, if you want to make your hair now, instead of to like to spend money to make that beautiful hair, you'll be managing. You have the money. Okay, if you do not maintain yourself, who's going to maintain it for you? If you do not maintain yourself, who is going to do that for you? Nobody. So you have to maintain yourself. You have to look good for yourself so that you be happy. You look beautiful because it is your body that is working the money. So you have to maintain your body. It's like car. You have to service the car so that the car can take you far to anywhere you want to take you. You understand? That is what how it is. It is your body. You maintain yourself. Learn to maintain. Learn to spend money on yourself. Learn to look good. You understand? So that is how people is going to respect you back. That is how to respect yourself. So when you spend money on yourself, don't want to see, just look, wow, look at the way she look beautiful, look at the way she look gorgeous. You know all those things. Yes. The people will be attracted to you too. You don't spend money on yourself. You cannot maintain yourself and you have the money. What kind of dirty money is that? So that is it. That is how to respect yourself. Another one again, be scared sometimes. There are some people that are not scared. They will see you moderate in Sunday, moderate in Sunday. What is that? Sometimes be scared. That is why I said don't visit those who are not visiting you. You understand? So that is it. Be scared sometimes. It is really, really important. And also be a giver than a receiver. A lot of people they love receiving, receiving, receiving. They don't love giving out from their pocket or from anything they have that is available. A lot of people they normally do this. So this is how you are going to respect yourself by giving. You give out. You understand? You may have clothes, you may have shoes, you may have money, you may have good advice to give to people. You understand? That is it. So treat people exactly the way you want them to treat you. Like that is what I told you before. And another one again, be good at what you do. Do it best. So anything you are doing in life, do it best so that other people can be coming. Let me give you an example. Like you are doing a business and you have to put all your efforts and do the business very, very well, good and well. You understand? So that people can also direct customer to you. Say, that woman, she's very perfect in this kind of particular issues. She's very perfect in this kind of particular skills. You understand? It is difficult for them to even replace you. Let me say, for example, in a company, you are very good in like I don't know which one I'm going to use. For example, let me say, for example, a company that is producing some things like that. Maybe you are very good in fixing the engine and doing it very well properly. Do it very well. Do it perfectly. It is difficult for them to sack you there. I'm telling you the facts. So you have to respect yourself. You understand? So these are the points. A lot are there, but I just want to talk about it beautifully. Okay, thank you so much. Bye, guys. Don't forget, remember, humble girl.